Hey YouTube, I want to thank you for coming to my channel. Now it's an excited day and I'm telling you, I've been working on a few different content guys just for you. Now, we want to talk about China NIO. Basically, this company is an electric vehicle manufacturer similar to Tesla in China. Now, the news that came out today that shocked everyone is that NIO, and they came out and said that they have received a significant amount of cash as part of its agreement with strategic investors. So as you can see, NIO and Tesla is going head and head right now in China. Now, as the beginning of this year, NIO was trading below $1.50 back in March. Today, NIO is trading $7.75 US. So you can see a significant change in price in the last 3 months. Now, if you go back and look at all of the EV stocks, anyone that's making an electric vehicle has been on fire this year. Based on Monday market close, Tesla and NIO have risen more than 141%, and Tesla 80% since the last few weeks. Now, the key news in the EV news industry, as I could say, we have NIO that's having this news that they have $4 billion Chinese dollar investment. Basically, that's just around 600 and change million US dollars. With China's NIO, and they're ramping up production, and they have a huge investment right now that of a 600 plus $1 million US to help with R&D and all that good stuff. Now we have a workhorse is on a climb as well with their EV trucks. And then we have Blink and Envoy as well have their partnership that's emerged. So as you can see, 2020 is a year for all EV. Anything to do with electric vehicle and anything to do with electric vehicle charging stations is on fire. As we can see the pattern in it, we have Workhorse since in the last 3 months have risen more than 700%. I will show you a graph right after we have these messages cleared up, and that shows you the comparison between China's NIO and Tesla and Workhorse. Then you will see the growth between the companies in the last 3 months. So stay tuned and I'll show you exactly what we're referring to. Yes, folks, so as you can see, and the numbers don't lie, the market is prime for electric vehicle at this moment. Now, the first phase of Tesla's vehicle was more geared towards a residential use. As you can see with Tesla, the last preview of the Tesla truck, it's more tend to a commercial use. So I know for sure, for a fact, that these electric vehicle will start to drive investors crazy soon. And we have seen it with Tesla, and we have seen it with Workhorse right now. And the stock is going fast, going up fast, have a lot of volume, creating a lot of noise, and it's only time for China's NIO until they make a pop. And the issue is that if you wait until it's too late, you will either get stuck in when it's too high, and if it drops and then you regret it. But I'm just saying, guys, if you're trading, just keep an eye out for China's NIO stock. It's an electric vehicle manufacturer and a tech company, same as Tesla. Now, we have seen it, as I said, numerous times with Workhorse, with Tesla, with NIO, and also with Blink and with Polar. 2020 is the year for all electric vehicle and charging station companies to rise. We have seen it time and times again for the last few weeks that these stocks on a daily basis are getting out of control, and they're going up 100%, they're going up 120%, and they're going up 700%. If we backtrack and look at Workhorse, 3 months ago to date, and they have gone up 700%, as I showed you on the graph earlier. If we look at NIO for the same period as well, and they have went up 170%. If we look at Tesla, they has went up close to 95%. So on the best investment strategy right now, you either got to be in electric vehicle stocks, you got to be in 5G, and perhaps there's something else there that would get us. Keep an eye on any investment to do with electric vehicle, because that's the future, right? We have seen the partnership between Blink and Envoy. We have seen, obviously we know Tesla is doing their thing. We have seen and the noise what Workhorse is creating, and I'm pretty sure they're gonna be other trends on the road that's coming up for all of us. So again, guys, I want to thank you for watching this channel. This is just to give you an insight, just to shed some light on China's NIO, to say there's great upside to this company, and when the day comes, be prepared to make a decision. But until that day comes, I strongly advise you to do some research to see what position the company is in, if they're in a position to grow or if they're in a position to decline. Like always, I always stress that I'm not a financial advisor or a broker. This information is strictly for entertainment only. So I strongly urge you guys to do some research in whatever content I provide before you invest, to make sure you have as much information to make an informed decision. And that's the best way I can put it for you guys. So I want to thank you for watching this channel. Please like or dislike, leave a comment, and as always, please subscribe so you can keep getting new update, new content daily. Until then, peace out, and thank you for watching.